today I'm going to be talking and explaining to you what a hashtag is, how we use them, and where to use them at. Before we get into it, if you like this content, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to this channel. First, let's get into what a hashtag is. A hashtag, it's a written symbol, looks like a pound sign. It's used in index keywords or topics. People use the hashtag symbol before a relevant keyword or a phrase on social media to categorize their content and to help them show more easily on social media. They show up more. If I'm looking for a dentist in San Francisco and I don't know anyone, I could go on social media and search for hashtag dentist in San Francisco. Then when I search for that term on social media, anyone who posts that term will come up in my search. If you're a local business or a national or international brand, you want to use relevant hashtags for your business. A plumber in Philadelphia would want to use related hashtags to promote themselves, such as hashtag plumber Philadelphia or hashtag plumbing Philadelphia, etc., etc. So look at your favorite brand's social media accounts to get a good idea of how they use hashtags. Hashtags can work for any size business and for any business that are local or global. Depending on your business will depend on actually how you're going to use your hashtags. Now that we went over what a hashtag is and how to use them, let's go over where to use them. Instagram and LinkedIn allow many characters, so you can actually use anywhere from 5 to 10 hashtags on every single post that you do. I recommend that you do at least 5 hashtags per post, and you want to include the hashtag in your social media post with the rest of your content. You want to include some specific hashtags like your area and your service that you do, and then you can use some generic hashtags as well. If you're a lawyer, you want to use a general hashtag like hashtag lawyer, hashtag law, hashtag divorce lawyer, hashtag attorney, things like that. Instagram will even show you what the most popular hashtags are. Go on Instagram, click search, and then search for hashtag plus whatever word you want to actually use. Instagram will show you how many people use which hashtag. The goal is to use hashtags that many people are using, searching for, and mix in some local hashtags as well.
Are you wanting a kickstart on your business and you want to learn how to be the go-to professional in your industry? Well, guess what? I've got a challenge for you. It's 5 days of coaching. It's brand new. Just go to KristaMashore.com/client conversion. That's KristaMashore.com/client conversion. And you'll get a training with me for 5 straight days that's going to help kickstart you as the go-to professional in your industry. So sign up and I'll see you there.
When used correctly, hashtags are a great tool to actually help you expand your social media content and your engagement. When you use the right hashtags and that attracts the right attention, it can help your engagement, help you grow your following, and help promote your business. What hashtags are you going to use for your business? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, everyone. Krista Mashore with Krista Mashore Coaching, and I hope, as always, you make it a super great day.
Hey there, I have a brand new podcast called Fired Up with Krista Mashore, where I bring my high energy right to your ears. This podcast is available on all your favorite podcast platforms. So do me a favor, go subscribe and leave a review. All this information is free and I cannot wait to teach you everything I know. Thanks so much for watching my video. You can learn more about how to be a successful real estate professional by watching other videos that I have. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.